Good morning, 9th class. Today we are dealing with chapter number 3rd and name of the chapter is Atoms and Molecules. And in this chapter, total number of topics are 5. We have already completed 3.2, what is an atom, from the chapter name atom, and we are going to complete today what is a molecule. So atoms and molecules. So atom is completed and today is the turn of molecule. So here is our topic. What is a molecule? In this topic we have total 5 subtopics: definition, types, then ions, then polyatomic ions, then assignment number 2 at the end we have. Then about types. So types, there are 2 categories: molecule of element and molecule of compound, right? So we are moving ahead with our subtopic number first, definition. Okay, पहले हमने आपको बताया था, क्या बताया था, from your previous video number 1, that what you are observing here, this one is sketch. Okay, sketch pen is non-living, right? And the smallest unit of this pen is, it is atom, right? And today I am saying that again this one is sketch pen, right? But the smallest unit is here is what? Molecule, right? The same word is written here. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound, right? So smallest particle here. Then what is the difference between atom and a molecule? Atom means atom is also the smallest one, but it cannot exist independently. And here the remarkable point in case of molecule is they exist independent, right? So here they exist in case of molecule, smallest particle of element or compound, but the existence is independent. In case of atom, they are also the smallest one, but their existence is not independent. Understood? Is it easy? And earlier हमने आपको बताया था, suppose this one is an element and the smallest one, all these are atoms, and their existence is independent. And now today for molecule, again element, smallest particle of element or a compound, right? Molecule, and all the properties means all the properties of element. Okay, the properties of elements are matching with the properties of molecules, the same as you have learned in case of atoms. Atoms की भी सारी properties, elements की properties जिसका वो था, right, उससे match करती है, molecule की properties भी match करती हैं. So here it is, it shows all the properties of substance. Substance means whether it is element or compound. Understood? The only difference between a molecule and atom is molecule is independent existence, right? In case of atom, they are not independent existence. Understood? So this is all about definition of molecule and linking with the atom also. Then subtopic number 2, it is molecule, right? There are 2 categories of molecules. Molecules are present in elements also, molecules are also present in compounds. So there are molecules of element, they contain only one type of atom, right? And here molecule of compound contains 2 or more types of atoms, because in case of compound 2 or more combination of elements are there, so naturally their atoms must be different. So here contains only one type of atom. For example, a molecule of oxygen. So here you are observing O2, right? O2. So here what are the atoms? Okay, what are the molecule? Oxygen, right? Only one type. And here you have methane, CH4, and water, H2O, right? So here elements are used, means atoms of carbon, atoms of hydrogen are used. Here atoms of in case of water, atoms of hydrogen and atoms of oxygen are used. Understood? So here in case of element, there is only one type of atoms are present in a molecule, and here there is combination of 2 or more types of atoms in a molecule. Understood? So this is about the types, and one by one their description. Subtopic number 2.1, molecule of elements. Molecule of elements, so this deals with atomicity. Atomicity means number of atoms constituting, or you can say that present in a molecule is known as its atomicity, right? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने आपको बताया कि सबसे छोटा एटम होता है जिसका एग्जिस्टेंस इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होता है, बट इन केस ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल देयर एग्जिस्टेंस इज इंडिपेंडेंट. सो देयर मस्ट बी सम लिंकेज बिटवीन एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल, राइट? तो मॉलिक्यूल कैसे बनता है? फ्रॉम द स्मॉलेस्ट वन इज एटम, राइट? एंड देन देयर इज मॉलिक्यूल, कि एटम से ही आपका मॉलिक्यूल बनता है, राइट? एंड मॉलिक्यूल से आपका एलिमेंट या कंपाउंड बनता है. Understood? So here, number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as its atomicity, right? So in a molecule, maybe one atom is present, maybe two atoms are present, maybe three atoms are present, okay, like this. So monoatomic molecule means a molecule has only one atom, right? Means the number of atom is one in a molecule. मॉलिक्यूल आपके कितने एटम से बना है? ओनली वन. इन केस ऑफ डायटोमिक, एज द नेम इंडिकेट्स, डाई मीन्स टू एटम्स इन अ मॉलिक्यूल. सो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स आर टू इन अ मॉलिक्यूल. Then polyatomic molecule means many, right? Many atoms in a molecule. Number of atoms are more than 2 in a molecule. Understood? So here we are dealing with example. Just look here. Ar and Ne and He, helium, neon, argon. Okay, just look here. Only one atom is present, right? And here number of atoms are 2. Like here Cl2. देखो यहाँ पे 2 है. 2, 2, 2. राइट. सो देयर एग्जिस्टेंस इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट. आप चाहोगे कि कुछ इस तरीके से आप क्लोरीन को एग्जिस्ट करवा दो, देन इट इज़ नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग लाइक दिस. इट एग्जिस्ट इन नेचर लाइक दिस. हाइड्रोजन एग्जिस्ट लाइक दिस, राइट? सो दिस आर द एग्जिस्टेंस मीन्स इन डायटोमिक फॉर्म, राइट? एंड आप चाहोगे कि आर्गन को आप ऐसे एग्जिस्ट करा दो, नॉट पॉसिबल. इट इज़ मोनो एटोमिक. क्लियर? उसका एटम और मॉलिक्यूल दोनों का फॉर्मूला यही होता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो हियर पॉलीएटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल. Here you are observing more than 3. O3. This one is ozone, then sulfur, then phosphorus. Clear? They are also known as triatomic. This one is tetra. Tetra word is used for 4. And here 8 means poly, right? Polyatomic. So this is all about molecule of elements. Then next we are dealing with molecules of a compound. So here compounds, combining element and then their ratio. So in case of water, ammonia and carbon dioxide, there are total 3 examples. Water formula is H2O. So as you're observing, combining elements are hydrogen and oxygen. So hydrogen and oxygen, and their ratio is 1:8. Here you have hydrogen, right? Hydrogen mass is 2, and oxygen mass is what is the mass of oxygen? Hydrogen mass is 1. Okay, 1. Just look here, giving you example. Hydrogen mass is 1U, but here H2 is there, right? In the formula H2, that means total 2U, right? Oxygen mass is 16U. So here when you divide this ratio, when you are finding ratio, you cancel. This one is 1:8. So here the ratio is 1:8. This is the ratio of mass of hydrogen with respect to oxygen. Next we have ammonia. Ammonia formula is NH3. So NH3, nitrogen and hydrogen, right? And here we are tracing N and H3. Nitrogen mass is 14, hydrogen mass is 1, but here 3 atoms are there, so 3. So ratio is 14:3. Then carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen. So here carbon upon oxygen, we are finding out ratio. That's why upper and lower case, right? Numerator and denominator. So carbon here is 12 and oxygen 16, but here 2, so 32. So this divides with 4 3 and this one is 8. So 3:8 ratio, right? So molecules of a compound, their combining ratio with respect to mass, right? Then next we have subtopic 3, ions. A charged particle in a compound is called ions, right? There are 2 types of ions, cation and anion, right? Cation means positively charged ion is called cation. Like here Na plus. आप देखो इसके ऊपर साइन कैसा है? Plus and plus, right? So these are known as cations. And anion means negatively charged ion is called anions, like Cl minus, Br minus. Understood? So negatively charged ions and positively charged ion, right? They are known as cation and anion, right? Then next we have some questions for you, like NaCl. The first part is cation, and for every compound the first part is cation, rest one is anion. So here Na, this one is of plus sign, other one is of minus sign. Then here KCl, K plus sign and Cl minus sign. And here potassium plus sign and sulfate, SO4 2 minus, right? Negative sign. So cation and anion, this one is 2. Right, it is 2. Understood? So this is all about ions. Next we are moving with our subtopic 4. Subtopic 4 is polyatomic ions. So as the name indicates, poly means many atoms, and in ion form means they are having charge. So definition, a group of atoms carrying a charge is known as polyatomic ions. Group, atoms, and then charge, right? So here like ammonia, right? Ammonium. And this one is sulfate ion, ammonium ion, sulfate ion. So here you are observing group of atoms like nitrogen is there, hydrogen is there, and they are having a charge. How many atoms of nitrogen? 1. Hydrogen 4. Total atoms kitne ho gaye? 5, right? And they are having positive charge. And here sulfur 1 atom, oxygen 4 atoms. Total number of atoms are 5, and they are having negative charge. So these two are examples of these two and many more, right? Like some more examples, if we are taking NO3 minus nitrate, so nitrogen 1, oxygen 3, and they are having negative charge. So polyatoms means many atoms, right? Total number of atoms are 4 participating with a negative charge. So they are known as polyatomic ion. Then next we have subtopic 5. This is your home assignment number 2. Do it in your class, do it in your science copy, and these two questions are taken from your exercise page number 44. Question number 3 is what are polyatomic ions, give examples, and number 5 is give the names of elements present in the following compounds: quicklime, hydrogen bromide, baking powder, potassium sulfate, sodium chloride. This is the end of today's video session. Do it in your copy. Thank you.